is Grayson. Today we're making a haunted video. Prepare to be scared. Okay? What was that sound?
What was that sound?
I don't know. Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard that.
Is there a squeaky sound up there?
Let's look up there.
Yeah.
Let's look up there. You ready?
Yeah.
Nope, don't see anything up there.
Okay, let's try to see something. You heard that?
Yes, definitely heard that.
Let me try. I heard it from this.
Open it up and let's see if there's something in there.
Ooh, let me turn on my flashlight on my phone. I'm not going in there. I'm not going in there. I'm not going in there. Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard that.
Was it from over here?
It's pretty loud.
Don't do that. Don't do that again. Why would it open?
It looked like it was opening to me.
It popped open by itself. Do something
Okay, go in there.
fishy going on. You go in there first.
Something fishy going on. Well, I don't want to go in there first.
You
You got to go in there. You got to be brave.
wait, kids first.
Open the door.
No, you
Show everybody how brave you can be. You got the flashlight. It should be fine.
I'm scared it's gonna go. Go!
Go!
Oh, I heard it.
Go! Go! Woo-hoo! It sounded a little bit like a goat or something for a second there. Okay, go inside, see what's in there. Is that where a clue is for the treasure?
Yeah.
Then you got to go in there. Come on.
Go in there first. I will give you the flashlight.
I'll open the door. Okay, go. Where you at? Go in there. Go get the clue. Turn on the lights.
These voices go weird. Oh my goodness, that's so loud. This place is pretty old. Yeah. And look, this is a pretty big room here. See, look, there's a lot of stuff.
Okay, come on. Where's the clue at?
I think I'll find one. I don't see one.
No clue in there. Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay. And this one's pretty old, isn't it?
Don't forget you got the flashlight on.
Yeah, let me turn it off, okay, kids? Okay.
Okay, I close the
Find
door.
another secret room. Let's find another secret room. Okay, guys? Okay, I think there's one here.
Is there a clue in there?
I don't know. Let's go and check it out. Wait, I think I'm going to hear something. Let me try to hear. What was that?
I definitely heard something.
I think you come from up there.
Okay, open the door and see if... Is there a clue inside there?
I don't know.
Okay, go ahead and open the door, babe.
I know what you...
No, go.
Okay.
Come on. Okay, go in there.
I already knew. Let's go. going first. Because you...
I'm just going to turn on the lights.
Checking. I think I just saw like a monster in there, like a shadow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. 1, 2. Oh, it was just a little bird or something.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think so. I think it's the other secret room is actually like a different sound. It's kind of like a different animal in it. Let's go and check it out because there's no clues in here. Go and check it out. I know what's going to do again. I know what the thing's going to do again. Call! So you gotta open it up, okay? You gotta open it up, okay?
Okay, where's the clue at so we can find what's hidden in the living room? There's got to be a clue. At least there's going to be something that you can read out loud.
Oh, I found one.
Okay.
I found one. The treasure map says that go by the pantry door. Okay.
Go by the pantry door. Okay. At least that's a start.
Okay. Let's check and see what's in there. Oh, I think it's pretty old in here. Look, you see that spider web? It's pretty old. There's a spider web hanging up there.
I don't see any spider web.
Up there, look. Film it.
Nope.
I think that's just a white.
See a lot of snackies in there, though.
Yeah.
Some little bites and other yummy stuff, but is your treasure going to be food or what is it?
I'm not going to
because the pantry seems to have a lot of treasures in it.
I don't want to tell you kids because I don't want to ruin it. Okay, let's look in the dining room and see where it's at. Okay, guys. Don't copy my skits, okay, guys? Because it's already edited in YouTube, okay, guys? Only my channel and you can watch it, but don't do this idea at home.
Yeah, this idea you may want to have a parent around with you because treasure hunting can be pretty scary at times, right, Grayson?
Yeah, because sometimes if you go and walk somewhere, then you'll probably, if it's in the sea, then you probably will see a shark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think I see the zebra chair in the living room indicated on your treasure map.
But wait, I think, yeah, but let's check in here one more time to see if it's underneath the bed.
Is the bed on the treasure map also?
Yeah, look, this is the bed.
Oh my goodness, that is a interesting treasure map that sends you all over the house like that.
What's that sound? I don't see it. Probably there's no secret room in there.
Nope, there's nothing in there. So come on, let's go check the zebra.
Sure, yeah, it's not connected.
I'm very excited to see the zebra couch.
Okay, let's check under this couch first.
Woo! Nothing underneath there?
No. Let's check. It says that you have returned to take a little light. Okay, let's check.
Oh, what is this? Is this your monogrammed Grayson chair? Sit down in the chair real quick. Let me see you sit down in the chair.
Okay. I cannot sit down on this because...
Oh, you're defying gravity now. Looks like you're floating in the air, sitting on your chair. Okay. So, the clue is, because I'm going to give you a little hint. Daddy made the map. The clue is that you have to move your little chair right there that you just sat in.
Okay, let me do it.
Yeah. Oh, you're so strong. Wow.
Oh. Now let's see.
What could be under the zebra chair? Wow. Say wow. Wow.
Yeah, but you want to go and find out what is that real sounds in the... Okay, like it's his car.
Did you have fun looking for the treasure?
Yeah, but I wanted to show them one more thing.
Okay, one more thing.
Show them.
That was exciting to find the treasure.
I'm checking here one more time.
What?
Checking it one more time. See what the animal is. You're gonna open it, okay? You gotta open it.
Okay, give me a clue what the animal is. What is the animal?
I don't know.
Is it a bird or?
It's not. I know. Go!
Scared me. I heard it. Okay, guys. So you got to go on a treasure hunt with Grayson and Daddy. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And hit that like button once you subscribe, and tell us if you have any ideas for some more stuff that we can do.
Okay.
All right. Take it easy. Bye.
Bye.